Hey, what's going on, guys? Today, um, I know you guys have many questions about pre-workouts. How do they work? Can they affect your health? And a bunch of other questions. So today, this video is gonna be based on pre-workout. I'm gonna be touching bases on the subject. So stay tuned, and I will be covering more about pre-workouts and how to use them. If you have been to the gym, I know you're probably familiar with some workout supplements. Probably you have or heard about creatine, mass builder, um, soy protein, um, whey protein, a bunch of other stuff related to that topic. But today I'm gonna be talking about pre-workouts. Pre-workouts are, in fact, one of those supplements that you need. Just keep in mind that is some of them are highly, uh, very high in sugar. Something have high sugar, and can in the long run can give you, I don't know, like get you sick, or I will stay away from them. But I will recommend, if you're gonna use pre-workouts of any kind, use them for a short period of time until you accomplish or fulfill your needs. Maybe you can use it for 1 month, 2 months, and then just don't stop using it from a long period. Because anything that has to do with your body and is artificial, I wouldn't recommend using. But some people, they just get out of work really tired, and school and our daily life is just tiring, and sometimes you need that extra boost of energy. That's when pre-workouts come into the place, and we can benefit by getting the energy that these pre-workouts supplements provide for our body. But depending on how you feel, if often try different brands. Also make sure you don't have any heart failures, or any type of heart disease, or any issues with your blood vessels or arteries, because sometimes they can alter your start pumping your blood. Mm, so that can be like a little dangerous if you suffer from any heart problems. But yeah, this is the pre-workout that I'm currently using right now. It's Bodytech Flashpoint. So pre-workout concentrate. It only has 5 calories, and it has B12. It has a bunch of other stuff. The Like I'm saying, like sometimes you don't even know like what you put inside your body with these things. But hey, if you need energy and you need something to boost your workout, and go to the maximum extent, go ahead and try it. I have tried many different ones. I used to use one of them was Super Pump in the past, C4, and other workouts that used to help me out. Whenever I used to be like tired without any energy. If you're gonna drink them, make sure you drink them not too late during the day. Make sure you drink them around 6, the latest. I would say if you're gonna go to bed around 11 or 12, definitely. But just stay away as possible as you can. If you can find energy from other sources, you can do orange juice, which is high in vitamin C. And vitamin C will provide you some energy. Also, you can use apple. Apple has high vitamin C and will provide you, some energy and boost your energy levels. Coffee. If you drink coffee, you can drink some dark coffee. But so far, those are the one that I use. Natural resources. I usually use. I'm currently using lemon. I grab one lemon and cut it in half and use half of it and squeeze it in a glass or in a cup um, with full of half water, and that works for me. But sometimes I need extra energy, so this is what I'm using this to get the maximum of my workout. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions about pre-workout or have you used any pre-workouts in the past, let me know how they have worked for you, and if you're currently using them. Um, just make sure to be alert of the dangers of using this type of products. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and leave your comments down below, and thank you for watching. Okay, so if you want more videos like this, just leave any comments or just write me an email. All right, have a good day.